Om Saram, many Sai devotees are worried that they don't have a job, they don't have a good career. All they need is some way to earn their living to survive. On the other hand, some Sai devotees are there who are having a comfortable job, they like their job, what they do, everything, but they feel that they don't have a promotion for long, which means, which means they deserve to be in a better position in the organization or the company they work, but for some reason or the other, they are denied that position, or things are dragging for so many reasons, and they feel really dejected. One humble request is that do not quit your job unless you have another job in your hand, but always maintain Shraddha and Saburi, which is immense faith and patience, immense patience and faith. So keep this in your mind and hold on to the job, and don't expect the result in your job. Just do your work with love and sincerity, and don't worry about the results. Remember, Sai, and have patience before you take any key decisions in your career. Now let us move on to the experience, so that when you listen to the story, it will be a blessing for you to grow in your career. So this is from a devotee called Somnath Shankar Deshpande. He is a son of Nana Sahib Nimonkar. Nana Sahib Nimonkar, as many of you might know, he is a very ardent devotee of Baba when Baba lived in Shirdi with flesh and blood. And he used to serve Baba living in Shirdi. He belongs to a village called Niman, which is situated 20 miles away from Shirdi. And his son, from 1912 onwards, he works as a sub-inspector of police, which is Somnath Shankar Deshpande works as a sub-inspector of police in Kopargaon. And his father, which is Nana Sahib, has vowed to Baba, or he has instructed his son, Shankar, see, whenever you receive your salary, the same day, send a money order to Sai Baba, 2 rupees for 2 rupees. So those days also there was the money order facility during the Britishers' time in India. Kopargaon is just, as you all know, just 10 to 15 kilometers or maybe 10 miles from Shirdi. But probably, reaching Shirdi by Tonga and all would have taken time. It's not like, you can just cross 10 kilometers like how it is easy these days. Those days there was Godavari in between. If the Godavari is flooding, then the Tonga won't be able to cross that river itself. So probably for many reasons, many of these reasons, he had a habit of sending 2 rupees by money order to Baba as soon as he received the salary. And this he continued from 1912 until 1920. And he was, really satisfied. And he wanted to share one beautiful experience. He was little, maybe deep in his mind, he was thinking that, for it's been long time, many years I've been in the police service, but the salary has not been increased. So here it's not about promotion, it's about the salary. So he was thinking about this. And once he went to Shirdi along with his father, which is Nimonkar and Somnath Shankar Deshpande, goes to Dwarka Mai and sits in front of Baba. They bow to Baba and they worship Baba with heart and soul. And Baba immediately asked Somnath to give 10 rupees dakshina. Okay, 10 rupees dakshina. And at that time, 10 rupees was really a huge sum those days. And but Somnath, he had a job and he was leading a comfortable life. So he immediately offered 10 rupees to Baba as dakshina. And Nimonkar and his son, one day they both were thinking, we never know why Baba asked 10 rupees dakshina. Maybe it's all for good. But later on, after 6 months, he got a order from the police department that from the day when Baba asked him to give 10 rupees, his salary was actually increased to 10 rupees. So he'll be receiving the salary, 10 rupee extra salary for the previous 6 months also. So that was really how Sai worked. Now you have to think about how Sai works, friends. He makes you do some good karma. Maybe a distant relative or a friend needs some genuine help, not that, you're just giving away your money. If there needs some genuine help, which you can afford, try to do that. Do little good deeds in the temple or any other good deeds. You can feed someone, you can help to, pay someone's school fee or college fee, as long as you can afford it. Do some good deeds whenever you get an opportunity, because of course you can feed animals and birds. So what happens is that these are all something you add into your bank, the bank balance of good karma. And Baba uses this bank balance to give back to you. When Baba asked 10 rupees Dakshina from Somnath Deshpande, it is equal to, at least equal to 10,000 rupees or even 1 lakh for this time. But then Somnath immediately gave, and that very moment his salary has been increased to 10 rupees every month. Baba just got 10 rupees once, and in every single month all over his life, his salary was increased to, was raised to extra 10 rupees. So that is the Leela of Baba. When you listen to this, if you are looking for growth in your career, promotion in your organization, growing ahead in your hierarchy, again, it's my humble request. Of course, there are two ways to see and understand Sai. One is the practical way, which is like you have to do your hard work, you have to maintain patience, you must know how to behave in the organization, what to expect, how the market condition is, how the economy of the country is, how your industry is performing within the economy. These are practical aspects you have to consider. And the second aspect is uh, totally spiritual, and Sai's greatness, his miracle, his own Leela, that when you worship Sai with heart and soul, Sai will fulfill your desire. So have immense patience. Look at your desires in a practical way and also Sai's way. Surely, when when you look at this both with both the eyes, you will surely know what to do, how to upgrade your skills, what to do, and how to grow ahead in your career or grow ahead in your business. And you will put into action. You will become more sincere, more dedicated. You will work really hard. You will work really smart, and eventually by Sai's grace also will add to it, and you will be growing ahead in your life. So this small Leela of Sai is dedicated to all the Sai children who are listening to this, who are looking for growth in their organization, for promotion, for growth or more profit in their business. So I hope you liked it. I really want you to go imagine that this is actually 1915 when Baba lived. Go, close your eyes and go to Sai and worship him. You can see Baba in Dwarka Mai. You offer him a beautiful rose garland. You offer him, maybe you bought couple of lotus somewhere in Maharashtra, and you have taken that all the way to Baba and you're offering him, imagine this, and offer him in his holy feet, and Baba is asking you a dakshina of 10,000 rupees or 10 rupees. Imagine, whether you give it or not, imagine as if you are offering the dakshina to Sai. Surely Sai will bless you with growth in your life, in your career, and bless you with peace, happiness, and prosperity. This is Venkat, firstasa.com. Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram.